Newton universal gravitational constant denoted by capital G. Its value is 6.67 into 10 to the power of minus 11 Newton meter square by kg square. But how we get this value? Who is calculated this value experimentally? This value is experimentally calculated by scientist Cavendish. He was designed one balance. That balance is called by torsion balance. Torsion balance. Now what is a torsion balance? He was taken one wire, weightless wire. The opposite ends are connected by a small lead balls. Its weight also neglected but very small. The weightless wire, both ends are connected by a small lead balls. From the middle of this wire or rod, one rope, it is also weightless, is connected, suspended from a rigid support, is called torsion balance. What is the torsion balance? A weightless wire or a bar, ends are connected by a small lead balls. From the middle of this rod, one weightless rope is taken from the rigid support, is called torsion balance. It is designed by Cavendish. With the help of this torsion balance, he experimentally calculated the capital G value. Okay, Cavendish is determined capital G value using torsion balance, which is suspended from the rigid support. Two small lead balls of mass m is connected at the ends of capital L. Length of the wire is taken from rigid support with a weightless rope, is called torsion balance. On the both sides of m masses taken capital M mass of lead balls as shown in the figure. Now these are the two lead balls on opposite sides. Capital M mass of the lead balls are taken. Here ball is S1, here ball is S2. The same balls are taken here. It is S1 dash, here it is S2 dash, same balls. Why? Now when it is suspended between these two balls, gravitational force is acts. First you don't take this. Only take these balls. Between them what happened? Gravitational force is acts. Force acts on the balls is F is equal to capital G, capital M, small m by R square. Means between these two balls, this is the force. Between these two balls, this force is acts. Two equal forces acts in opposite direction. Immediately what happened? By S1 comma S2 balls, here by S1 comma S2 balls, torque experienced on the balance. We know that one, two equal forces acts in opposite direction. What happened? By here you take in the bracket. By S1 comma S2 balls, torque experienced on the balance. then work done by the balance. Means two forces acts. It changes its position or not? Yes. Torque is experienced, so work done. What is the principle for the work? When object is in a rotatory motion, W is equal to tau into theta. What is a tau? Torque. What is the theta? Twist in the rope. Means this is the rope. This is the rope. When the two equal forces acts in opposite direction, what happen? The twist is occurred. This theta twist is occurred. So W is equal to F into theta. What is the work? Force into displacement. Work is equal to force into displacement. Tau into theta. What is the L? Length of the wire. What is the F? Capital G, capital M, small m by r square. L, length of the wire. Tau into theta. Now you take G is equal to tau into theta, you take R here. These two values here. Substitute capital M. We know the capital M value, small m value, length of the wire. This is the distance R. It is also R. Theta, twist, and tau is equal to what happened? Torque. What is the principle for the torque? Torque is the principal force into perpendicular distance. Substitute that, the Cavendish is got the value of G is how much? 6.67 into 10 to the power of minus 11 Newton meter square by kg square. Okay. Now, why we can take S1 dash and S2 dash? Okay. Here between these two particle small m and capital M, one force is acts in this direction, another force is acts in this direction, one force is acts in this direction, another force acts is in this direction. Immediately the twist takes the place in the rope, but due to the restoring force, this twist is opened. When this twist is opened and comes to the rest, here we take same mass of the ball. Instead of S, we can take S1 dash. Instead of S2, S2 dash. Here this force. When the twist is occurred, due to the restoring force, the twist is opened. If it is comes to the rest, in this direction force is acts. That's why one time twist in this side, another time twist in this side, again twist in this side, again twist in this side. Means when the torsion balance is taken, here two masses, here two masses. First we are discussing the two equal forces acts in this direction. The twist is occurred in the rope. Then after restoring force brings the rope into the initial position, immediately in this direction force, and the twist occurred in this side. When the twist is opened in this direction, means this torsion balance oscillates like this. With the help of this twisting, with the help of this torque, the Cavendish calculated the capital G value. Okay, this is clear. How we can get the capital G value means this is the way to calculate the capital G value.